You may be in the process of getting cataract surgery, or you've been told that you need cataract surgery, or you're still on the fence as to whether or not you're ready to go through with it. As an optometrist, I co-manage our patients who get cataract surgery with an ophthalmologist who has a specialty in cataract surgery. So I take care of the patients before and after surgery, which is why in my video explaining the cataract procedure, I am accompanied by a cataract specialist. But after you get your new eyes, you will normally see a doctor like me who will make sure that your eyes are healing the way they're supposed to, and if any complications arise, we can help you go through it. I'm hoping that by the end of this video, I can ease your mind and maybe reduce some of the nervousness that you may feel if you haven't had cataract surgery. And if you have had cataract surgery and still have questions, then this video is for you. I've heard someone say that fear comes from the lack of knowledge, and the best remedy for fear is to gain knowledge. And I've also read that fear is the beginning of knowledge. So if you are slightly nervous or afraid, that's okay. We're gonna gain some knowledge now and hopefully reduce that fear for the future. So let's focus on vision after cataract surgery. I'm Dr. Shania from True Focus Eye Care, and our goal at True Focus is to provide eye care and vision-related education and advice to our patients, whether they're in our office or not. So if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, then consider subscribing by clicking that red button below so you don't miss any of our new videos. If you've missed our video where we talked about the process of cataract surgery, then you can find a link to it above or in the show notes below.
When will I be able to go home after the surgery?
So you will actually be able to go home the same day after surgery. Once we know that your vision and your eye pressure is stable, then you're good to go. You may be given a protective eye shield to use when you sleep, so you don't accidentally rub it or bump into it for the first couple nights.
What will my vision look like after cataract surgery?
As soon as you sit up after cataract surgery, you may notice your vision is clearer and brighter, and colors will seem a lot more vibrant. So you just removed that dark cloud that was in the way of your vision, and now you're looking through a clear window. Remember, if you choose the option to set your vision to see better far away, you might not see perfectly at this time, but that's okay. Your vision needs time to heal before you know what your new vision will look like. If you were nearsighted before the surgery, meaning that you were able to see up close better than you could far away, and you asked for good distance vision, then you will be amazed at how well you see in the distance. But you will need to get used to not being able to see as well up close. Simple over-the-counter readers will bring that into focus. Now keep this in mind, there is no 100% guarantee that you will have perfect vision after cataract surgery. The goal of the surgeon is to get you to 20/20, but depending on how your eye settles after surgery, you may need a little help with glasses, seeing the small letters up close or those little letters on the road signs. Remember, the primary goal of cataract surgery is to remove the cataract. The secondary goal is to get you to 20/20 vision.
What will my eyes feel like after cataract surgery?
So fun fact, even though the eye is one of the most sensitive parts of the body, it's also one of the fastest healing parts of the body. So you may notice some irritation, kind of like you have a speck of dust that fell in your eye, but that only lasts for a few days. You will be given some drops to help with the irritation and the healing. One of the drops is usually an antibiotic to make sure your eyes are safe during the healing process. The other drop may be an anti-inflammatory drop like steroids or NSAIDs, which will make your eyes feel comfortable until it's completely healed. Remember, much of that irritation can be prevented with good preparation before the surgery with warm compresses and artificial tears.
Will I ever have to worry about cataracts coming back again?
No, you will never have to worry about cataracts forming ever again. The new lens that replaces your old lens does not age. But I will say that some people may notice that the vision gets slightly hazy within 6 months to a year after surgery. This is sometimes called a secondary cataract, but it's not a true cataract that would ever need cataract surgery. As the eye accepts the new lens as a member of its team, a film starts to be created around the lens. This happens 100% of the time, but only about 50% of the time will that film actually decide to form over the center of the lens, causing a decrease in vision. Now, this will not need surgery. This is an easy process where the worst of the whole thing is that you will need to be dilated. The surgeon will then focus that laser onto the film, shine a light and remove it, and just like that, your world is foggy free again. After a successful YAG procedure, you will never have to worry about that film ever again.
Should I go back to my regular eye doctor, or do I need to continue seeing the cataract specialist?
I love this question because I have a lot of patients that are confused about this. But after the cataract is removed, you can continue to see whoever you saw before the surgery. You are not required to see the specialist who performed the surgery unless there was a complication. If you are seeing an optometrist, then that doctor can manage the entire process after day 1 of the surgery. So go where you feel most comfortable. Because remember, the more comfortable and stress-free you are, the faster you will heal. I hope this was enough knowledge to eliminate most, if not all, of your nervousness for getting cataract surgery. But if you do have any other questions about life without cataracts, then feel free to ask in the comments below and I'll answer it as quick as I can. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can continue to learn more about how to keep your eyes and vision healthy for years to come. And make sure you click that little bell icon so you don't miss any of our other videos like this one. So don't forget to stay well, stay focused, and I'll see you next time. Go ahead and say the question.
Will I ever get a cataract again?
No, you will, no, you will, no, you're, no, no, you're, no, no, no.